Single view photo on Instagram. Hey guys, how are you? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this updated video, I show you step by step how to upload a single view photo on Instagram. The process, folks, is very smooth. The first step is for you to choose the person you want to send this single view photo. So I'm going to click here on Friends, and I'm going to choose a person to send this photo. So I've already chosen the person here. Guys, I'm going to click on Message Now. You're not going to click here, guys, on this plus sign. You're going to click here on this icon, and you're going to choose the photo that you want. You can take the photo on the spot, or it can be from your gallery. So I'm going to choose here gallery, guys. Here, choose the photo. So I've already chosen the photo. Now, guys, you're going to click here on this option. You see that double view appeared here. You're going to take it off, click, and you can choose unlimited views. So at any time, the person can see as many times as they want, double, or see only once. So I'm going to choose here to see only once, click Send. And that's it, guys. It's already here with a single view of this photo. It also has screenshot prevention, guys. You can't take the screenshot. It can't. Just click OK. Soon. Did you succeed? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll stop here. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.